Take a quick 3-minute tour of a 1999 Newmar Dutch Star 3835 with me. 38-foot diesel pusher on the Spartan chassis with a 300 Cummins. It's got a single slide out. Let's go give it a quick tour. Welcome back to another quick RV walkthrough. My name's Taylor Quayle, and today we're looking at a 99 Newmar Dutch Star. You got a 7,000 watt generator right there. It is a single slide out. It's got a ton of under basement storage. It's got a side radiator, so you're going to see the engine and hear it. Tire size 275/70R, 22.5. I got to fix that compartment strut, but look at all this storage you got right here. We just took this in and it is quite clean for the age. I think it was in the 74,000 mile range, and for something of this age, that's nothing. Electric step cover with a button. It is a full carpeted floor, and there is the slide out for the couch and the dinette. Does have an opposing couch. Does have a swivel seat that has a leg extension for the passenger. Absolute ton of storage in this coach, in front, in the kitchen, and in the bedroom. Little ice maker down below. Convection microwave because there is no oven. Spice racks, like serious spice rack storage right here. Washer and dryer hookups in this wet bay. Nice little vanity. Right across from that is the shower. And then finally, got a separate room for the commode. In the back, there is no slides. It's a queen bed. It's actually quite spacious. You would think those are your only wardrobes. They're not. You actually have an insane amount of storage there and there. A couple drawers down below. 3 drawers right there. Obviously, TV's been upgraded. Selling it for $39,995. Let's go double check on the mileage. 73,687. My name's Taylor Quayle. If you guys have any questions on this or want any additional info like a Carfax report, don't hesitate to reach out. I'll put all my contact info on the screen. Thanks for viewing. Have a great day.